Today we are walking in Hilversum. This is the Dudok Park, and this is the park that is in front of the municipality, the Gemeente. And today we just had, last night or the last 3 days, it was snowing non-stop, and this is the result of this. Like, we are completely buried under the snow. I don't know, I think it's like what do you think? Like a 20, 30 centimeters, something like that? And
The whole transportation is paralyzed.
Yeah.
No trains.
No trains to Amsterdam. Nowhere.
Cut out from the war.
Yes. Look, somebody was making the snowman in there. And the small one. Impressive. You don't have this every year, but when you have it, it's a huge, amazing spectacle in here. Like, I really wish I could have like a pair of the skis in here and boom, probably just do, I don't know, some northern walk. But it's amazing. And here in front you can see the building. The municipality is how's called this place? The Dudok Tower? I don't know how they call it. But it's the municipality building. The Gemeente Hilversum. Look at this, so much snow. I've never seen so much snow in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
For how many years we have in here? 8?
10, yeah.
9, 8. And this is the biggest snowfall we ever got in here. This is just amazing. Something that can happen sometimes is that the temperature drops below 0 and the ponds and the fountains, they can just froze. Like you see this one. And the kids, they can come sometimes. If it's froze enough, they can come and skate. But I don't know if it's frozen enough.
No, because
It's 0, yeah.
Yeah, so.
But sometimes they just come, the kids, and skate in the ponds. And this is the Dudok place. Really cool places. And the Netherlands, yeah, seriously can be beautiful in all the seasons. The winter is nice. Sometimes when you have this amount of snow, which is really not usual, the fall with all the colors, the spring when everything starts like blossoming, and the summer is very hot and it's really, really nice. So yeah, in this country you really can have the 4 seasons. Sometimes you even have the 4 seasons in one day. But yeah, this is really, really, really beautiful. Look at that. Right. So we hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have some snow in the place you live. And if you don't, I don't know, come to a place like this and enjoy it. Play, go to the mountains. And well, yeah, remember, click like, subscribe.
And comment below.
See you later. Play in the snow.